Didn't see y'all over there. What's going on, guys? On this video, we're going to be installing some Bilstein 5100 shocks on this GMC Sierra 1500 2016. We're in the garage again. Thank you, Dad. Moving up in life. I'll link down below on Amazon this shock set for the two-wheel drive GMC Sierras. Front shocks are adjustable. 21mm socket. 13/16 wrench. Down below. Spring compressor kit. Stock ride height is the first one. Second one 0.75. Third one 1.26. Fourth one 1.85. Start on the stock ride height. This bottom one, and it's got a snap ring. Just get some pliers. Found these actually work pretty well. Grab one of the ends. Basically you just walk it around and then it goes up to the second one. Walking it up all the way around. Bam. Dude, if this thing springs, my hand is going to be dead. Torqued everything down. So these are 20 foot-pounds. The nut in the middle is 20 foot-pounds. And then these are, I believe, 37. So I did 20 and 40. Closest I could get, really. Small person bucket. Putting all these extensions, it's almost like a little wobble socket. I like it. Run it down. It hurts, dude. What the hell? Hold the end with an adjustable wrench. Use this boy. So piece coming off the top, and then you have this whole thing slides out. You need this piece right here, so you have this little stop. So I just hit that off, slide that baby off. That's all from this shock. You do not reuse these. Bilstein says that in the instructions that you use the nuts that are provided with that shock. It gives you 2 new nuts for this. You're going to use the same bolts. It also gives you a new nut for the top. Adjust the snap ring to how you like it. So I have mine on the 3rd level. Drop this little spacer down. Put this on there. I looked it up and there's kind of like this special tool, I think. What I did on the other one, just hit it on there. The C-clip, the spacer that slides on top, the rest for the spring, and then on top of that, the bump stop cap. Then you already have this little ring installed, and then the nut goes on top of that. Clip, spacer, this thing, cap, goes through the actual bump stop. The other one, it was up here still, so it made it easy. It has the little indentations for the studs, so you can't put this on the wrong way. And then don't forget this, throw that on, and then do not use that one, use the supplied one. It was like, all right, torque it to, it says in there, torque it to 20 or 19, 19, 19, but I just did 20. So once you spin it at a certain amount, it'll spin this whole thing. Rubber piece back, I went in there and there's room to grab this actual shaft. And I grabbed that with some channel locks, and then I torqued that nut. There's probably other ways to do it, or maybe there's like a special wrench torquing thing. Let me know what y'all did, but that's what I'm gonna end up doing. And down goes the GoPro. Bam! Got a vice grip set up right here, right there. Kind of roll back this little rubber cover. Bam! That's him right there. Boom. That's one. So you like playing games over here? Well, I got a Husky socket. What is this? 18 millimeter. Coming right for you. Hey, he's up here. He's up here. Oh, hell yeah. Alright, give me that bolt. Torque them down. Damn wires. Oh! Now that's what it's supposed to look like. I'm happy with how this turned out for the Bilstein 5100s. I'm about $500 for it. So I'm gonna go ahead and put the before and after pictures. I measured from the center of the tire, just going straight up to this fender. I'll go ahead and put that up before and after. But I like how this is still a lot more level, but it still looks a little bit aggressive. 3rd notch on the shock is the way to go. Before, fender would probably be like right here. It looked not that good. But anyways, guys, thanks for watching this install. I'll link down below the shocks and the tools I used. I'm Bataha. We'll see y'all in the next one.